In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 free AI courses that are amazing for absolute beginners in 2025. These courses will help you understand how AI works, how you can use it, and how you can build your own AI projects without having to pay a single penny. Now, I know there are many AI courses out there that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, but they're not necessary to get started with AI. In fact, some of the best AI learning material is available for free online. And if you're just getting started with AI, these free resources are a great place to start. They'll give you a solid foundation to work with, and you'll be able to learn at your own pace without having to worry about making any financial investment. So, if you're an absolute beginner looking to learn about AI in 2025, make sure to check out these 10 free AI courses. You might be surprised at what you can learn. So let's jump right in. The first course is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by Google. This is a beginner-friendly course that covers the basics of AI, including what AI is, how it works, and some of the common use cases. The course is divided into several modules, each of which covers a different aspect of AI. For example, you can learn about supervised and unsupervised learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. The course also includes a number of hands-on exercises that allow you to apply what you've learned to real-world problems. Now, the best part about this course is that it's completely free. All you need to do is sign up for a Google account and you can start learning AI right away. Next up is AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera. This course is designed for people who have little to no programming experience and provides an overview of what AI is and how it's changing the world around us. The course covers topics such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, and provides real-world examples of how AI is being used today. One of the great things about this course is that it's taught by Andrew Ng, who is one of the leading experts in AI. He's the founder of Landing AI and Deep Learning AI and has taught over 4 million students worldwide. So if you want to learn AI from one of the best, then this is the course for you. Another great thing about this course is that it's very beginner-friendly. The course does not require any background knowledge or experience in AI or programming. Anyone can take this course and learn the basics of AI. Moving on, we have Demystifying Artificial Intelligence by IBM on Udemy. This course is designed to help you understand how AI works and its real-world applications. The course covers topics such as machine learning algorithms, data mining techniques, and deep learning architectures. It also includes hands-on exercises and case studies to help you apply what you've learned. What I like about this course is that it uses simple language and avoids technical jargon. Even if you're new to AI, you'll still be able to understand the concepts. The course is also self-paced, so you can go through the material at your own speed. If you need to review something again, you can always go back and re-watch the video. Next up, we have Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning by Stanford University on edX. This course covers the fundamentals of AI and machine learning and gives you a broad overview of the field. You'll learn about search and optimization algorithms, probability and statistics, and how to evaluate machine learning algorithms. You'll also get to work on a number of practical exercises that will help you develop your skills. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to learn about AI and machine learning and get a good understanding of the foundations of the field. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in AI or just want to learn more about this exciting field, this course has something for everyone. The next course on our list is Introduction to TensorFlow for AI, Machine Learning, and Deep Learning by Google. This course is an excellent resource for anyone who wants to learn how to build AI applications using TensorFlow. The course covers the basics of TensorFlow and helps you understand how to use it to develop your own AI models. With the increasing popularity of AI and machine learning, knowing how to use tools like TensorFlow can be incredibly beneficial. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to get started with building AI applications and learn how to use one of the most popular AI toolkits available. Another great option is AI programming with Python by Microsoft. This course teaches you how to code AI applications using Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Through interactive lessons and hands-on exercises, you'll learn how to use Python to solve real-world AI problems. This course is a great way to learn how to use Python for AI and develop your coding skills at the same time. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some coding experience, this course has something for everyone. Next up is AI Fundamentals by Microsoft. This course is designed to provide you with a strong foundation in AI concepts and principles. You'll learn about different types of AI, how AI systems are developed and deployed, and the ethical considerations of AI. This course is a great way to gain a deeper understanding of AI and how it impacts our world. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in AI or just want to learn more about this rapidly evolving field, this course is a great way to get started. Moving on, we have the Introduction to Machine Learning by Microsoft on EDX. This course is designed to help you understand the fundamentals of machine learning and how to use them to solve real-world problems. The course covers topics such as regression analysis, classification algorithms, and clustering techniques, and provides hands-on experience in using machine learning software. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to learn about machine learning and gain practical experience in using machine learning software. Whether you're a student or professional looking to upskill, this course is a great way to get started with machine learning. Next up is the Practical Introduction to AI and ML by Google on Coursera. This course covers the basics of AI and ML and helps you understand how to use them to solve real-world problems. The course covers topics such as classification, regression, clustering, and decision-making, and provides hands-on experience in using machine learning software. The course is designed to be practical and applicable with a focus on helping you understand how to use AI and ML to solve real-world problems. You'll learn about the different types of AI and ML algorithms and how to choose the right one for the right problem. You'll also learn how to train and test an AI model and how to evaluate its performance. Last but not least, we have AI Foundations by Meta on their AI for Everyone site. This course covers the fundamentals of AI and helps you understand how to use them to solve real-world problems. The course covers topics such as supervised and unsupervised learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, and provides hands-on experience in using machine learning software. This course is designed to be practical and applicable with a focus on helping you understand how to use AI to solve real-world problems. You'll learn about the different types of AI algorithms and how to choose the right one for the right problem. You'll also learn how to train and test an AI model and how to evaluate its performance. So that wraps up my list of 10 free AI courses that are great for absolute beginners in 2025. Hopefully, you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a comment below and let me know. Also, if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, make sure to check out other videos in my AI for Everyone playlist.